I have a knife. I'm not afraid to use it on this box. What do I have in the box? From Sweetwater Musical Instruments. Oh, this knife is not the proper tool. Go away. Oh my God. Candy. Look at this. Soundcraft. Very good mixer company. Let's see if I can turn this over and get it out of the box. Get the box out of the box. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. They sent me a Sweetwater sticker. Absolutely no use for that. And they sent me a giant catalog. How many trees died for this catalog? So what do we have here? The Soundcraft Signature 22 multi-track. 24 inputs, 22 outputs, USB recording and playback interface. And a 22 input analog mixer with legendary Soundcraft, Lexicon, and DBX signal processing. So the playback part is what's really important to me, because you can route everything that's inside of the computer back out to the mixer. Let's open it up. Power cable, 3-prong, and the mixer. Out of the way, box. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. I'd like to thank my wife Teresa for womaning the camera. I'm going to open this up. This is the most giant bag of silica gel ever in human history. Let's look at the mixer here. We got 100 millimeter faders. So here's what I was talking about. You can return USB to the individual channels. So whatever is on channel 1 can be routed out to channel 1. Whatever is on channel 2 can be routed out to channel 2. So if I want to mix in real time, whether I'm doing a podcast or whether I'm doing anything else, music, etc., I can get all the stuff in there. It's got limiters on 6 channels, so you can't overload and get that terrible digital distortion. Here we got high Z inputs for 4 channels, as well as a limiter. So if you want to plug in your guitar and do your rock and roll that way. We've got 2 groups, group 1 and 2, group 3, 4. I'll use group 1 and 2 as a way to route my headphones, because unfortunately this headphone output is tied to this master fader. So if I pull this down, that goes down as well, which is not cool, but it's the one problem I could find with this mixer. I could use more routing. More routing would be good, but it's got onboard effects, lexicon effects that actually do sound pretty good. Truth be told, I have the 12-channel version of this right now and decided that I needed to get the larger one, because 12 channels is just not quite enough. Honestly, 22 channels is probably too much. But I'm excited because I've not been able to actually mix music on a board that wasn't inside the computer for 15 or more years. So this is very exciting. Build quality is good, solid. Got some plastic on the sides here, but this whole deck is solid metal all the way around. Now, here's the one funky thing. No power button. And you plug that in and it's just on. Now if you have it plugged into your, like a power conditioner or whatever, it's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. I like leaving my gear on. No USB came with the desk. That is disappointing. Soundcraft Signature 22 MTK for multitrack. Damn. Haven't had anything like this for so long. I'm so excited to get it set up. I'll do another video soon where I will have it set up and I will walk through all the functions. But for now, this is a product that I always dreamed would exist, and I recently found out that it does. And now it's mine! Thanks for watching. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. So honest! It hurts! Till next time, I'm out.